Welcome to Athar's Garage. In this video, I'll be unboxing my new project, which is the Serpent SRX8 GTe long wheelbase. This is a 8 scale electric powered on-road car. So I got everything ready to build it. As you can see, I got my tires, my electronics, and the kit itself. So let's put all these things aside and open up the box. So it doesn't come with a body. That's off at the painters. So it does come sealed. So I kind of opened it up already to make it easy for me on the video. So this is a kit, you gotta build it yourself. So you got bag 10, bag 11, like bag 6, bag 9, 2, so some nice carbon fiber pieces in there. Pretty excited about this. 7, 8, bag number 1, the shock bag, 6, 5, 3, 4, and the diffs, and the center or solid axle. So from my understanding, Serpent, there's the chassis itself. Nicely machined. Can't wait to put this together. So Serpent doesn't include their manual in the box. Their manuals are online. I'll put a link in the description below as to where you can find it if you're building this one yourself. So it does come with stickers, and it looks like some type of applicator, or even something that you could wear like as a badge. So let's go ahead and open this bag up and see what this is. Might just be something to help put the stickers on, but. Alright, so although it looks like an applicator, it's actually a USB drive, where I guess the manual itself is going to be on here. And you can attach a lanyard on here, keep it around your neck when you're at the track, so you're never left without actually having a manual physically in front of you. So let me put this in the computer real quick and see what's on it. Yeah, so the manual itself is on the USB drive in case you need it. And I guess I'll keep that in the computer and I'll reference that as I do my build. But you can also find the manual online. But got a nice set of stickers here, so put these aside in case I want to put it on the body later on. So let's make sure we have everything. We got the chassis. I took a look at the manual earlier, and I know we're going to end up starting with the diffs, and then the solid axle bag, and then I believe it goes in numerical order, where you start off with bag 1. So we have bag 1, and we got bag 2, got bag 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we've got the shock bag, along with, we've got, looks like 1000 K diff fluid. We've got a little nice container of grease, 80,000 diff oil, and 1200 CST for the shocks. That is pretty heavy for the shocks. So that's what's in the box. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I'm excited to put this together. Please like and subscribe if you want to follow along as I put this thing together, and I'll show you my experience. If I had any issues, I'll record it and I'll let you guys know. If you've already built one, if you have one, if you have any issues, please leave comments down below. I would love to hear from you guys to see what to expect, and also hopefully other people that are going to be enjoying this build can be aware of any issues that y'all have seen. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Thanks.